Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the new Lenovo Tab M10 Dell FHD. So let's go into the unboxing. Let's get into some of the specifications. It has qualcom snapdragon 450 octa-core. It has 5 megapixels front camera and 8 megapixels back camera. It has a whooping 7000 milliamperes long lasting battery with an OS of Android 9.2 Pivot. Let's get into it. It has some weight to it. I think it's around 400 grams. It has a nice aluminium back with this 8 megapixel camera at the back, and in the front we have that 5 megapixel tiny camera sitting up here. We have its headphone jack here, and it's a USB Type-C. No, it's a USB port, and we have the memory card insertion slot. So let's boot this up.